Hello everyone, I am Dr. Deepika Tayal. Today I'll be showing you few yoga poses which will help in dysmenorrhea, that is painful menstruation. It is a myth that yoga cannot be done during menses. In fact, practicing yoga helps in relieving pains, helps reducing congestion, helps in opening up the muscles and in a better flow. Along with this, it also helps in balancing emotions like mood swings, depression, anxiety, and anger during menstruation. First pose which we are going to do is the Trikonasana, that is the triangle pose. Spread your legs apart and slowly bend towards the side. Hold in this pose for about 30 seconds to 1 minute. If you are not able to go down, you can place your hands on the knee as shown. Repeat the same pose on the other side, gently going down, exhaling, and hold in this pose for about 30 seconds to 1 minute. After that, bend your leg in your knee so that your knee and ankle are in one line. Place your hand around the knee and stretch your hand towards the side. This also helps to open the sides and helps to reduce any pain or stiffness. Now, going in the sitting position, we will be doing Baddha Konasana, that is the butterfly pose. This pose helps to improve the blood circulation in the pelvic region, decreases menstrual pain, also helpful for irregular periods and leukorrhea. You can place a booster or a blanket in front of you and rest your head for more ease and comfort. After this, we will be doing Upavishta Konasana, that is a forward bend with the legs apart. Place a booster in front for more comfort, or you can use a blanket and gently rest your head on it with your hands. This alleviates menstrual pain and also very helpful for depression associated with menstruation. Also gives a very good relief to the back pain. You can hold this pose for about a minute and slowly increase the duration to 2 to 3 minutes. Now, using the booster, we can do Supta Baddha Konasana. Place the booster at your lower back and gently rest your back on the booster. This also helps to open the chest, gives a very good stretch to the thighs, increases blood circulation to the pelvic area, and alleviates menstrual pain. Hold in this pose for about 2 to 3 minutes according to your comfort. After that, lying down on the back, hug one leg to the side. Do not pressurize on your belly and just hold in that pose for about 30 seconds. Repeat the same with the other leg. This relaxes your back and gives relief to the back pain. After that, we are going to do a gentle twist. Place your right feet on the left thigh and placing the opposite hand on the knee, twist your body to one side. Be gentle and do not give lots of pressure. Repeat the same on both the sides. After this, go in a relaxed pose, happy baby pose. This relaxes your back. You can swing to the sides to give more relief and relaxation. Do try these poses. These are very beneficial. Thank you.